Hey there, productivity champs. Today, I'll show you how to edit PDFs for free using the WPS PDF tool. Yes, you heard that right, free. Whether you need to tweak a document, add some annotations, or even compress a file, WPS PDF can do all of that for free. And here's the best part. You can try it out for free right now by clicking the download link in the description below. Additionally, if you're looking for even more features, the Pro version includes WPS Office Pro, a free alternative to Microsoft Office. But for now, let's dive into the PDF Tool free version and see what it can do. Alright, once you've downloaded and installed WPS PDF, open it up and let's get started. Click on Open PDF and select the file you want to edit. It's straightforward, with no complicated setup or extra steps. Just drag, drop, and you're ready to go. Now, let's say you need to fix a typo or update some text. Simply click the Edit button and you can begin typing directly on the PDF. It's that easy. You can even change the font, adjust the size, and move text boxes around. It's like having a word processor built right into your PDF editor. Need to add an image or make some notes? No problem. Click Add Image to drop in a logo, signature, or any other graphic. And for annotations, you've got tools to highlight text, add comments, and even draw directly on the PDF. It's perfect for reviewing documents or collaborating with a team. Once you're done, just hit Save As to keep your changes. You can even export your PDF to other formats like Word or Excel if you need to. It's quick, it's easy, and yes, it's free. And that's it. Editing PDFs doesn't have to cost you a fortune. WPS PDF gives you all the tools you need for free, plus access to the full Office suite as a bonus. Click the link in the description to grab it today and start using it right away. If you want to take your creativity even further, don't miss my next video on how to download Adobe After Effects for free on PC and Mac. It's on screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip.